Hi everyone, welcome to CubeArc. In this video, I will show you how to integrate OpenShift with Okta using OAuth authentication so that your users can log into OpenShift securely using their Okta credentials. We will walk through creating the Okta app, configuring OpenShift's OAuth identity provider, and doing a quick login test. Now let's take a look at prerequisites for this setup. First of all, make sure you have an OpenShift cluster running, either CRC, SNO or multinode. Secondly, access to OpenShift CLI or web console with an admin user, a free Okta developer account. Before we jump on the practical, let's have a look at the login flow. Here's a breakdown of the login process steps. User visits OpenShift login page, redirects occurs to Okta for authentication. User successfully authenticates with Okta. Okta redirects back to OpenShift with token. Now let's start with demo. Login into your Okta app. Go to applications. Select create app integration. Choose OIDC OpenID Connect. Then select web application. Then next. Give the name of the app. I am giving it OCP. Here we will configure our sign in redirect URL. Here we have to put our OAuth URL, which we can find from our command line console. Let's find it. Firstly, we have to check our project by using OC project command. We are in OpenShift authentication project. Here we will find our OAuth URL by using OC get route command. This is our OAuth URL. Copy it from here, and after the URL add OAuth to callback and /Okta. Okta is the identity provider name which we will use in our cluster. Copy it from here and paste it here. Then in assignments, select allow everyone in your organization. We are selecting allow everyone in your organization because we are doing it for only practical purpose. But in practical production systems, concern with your team and then select any of the option. Then save it. After saving it, go to directory, go to people. Here we will add our new users. Select add person, then give first name, then last name, then username. Username must be an email, as I am giving it bob@example.com. In the password section, select set by admin and enter the password. Then save it. Refresh the page. And now you can see our user is added successfully. Now go to your web cluster console, log in with admin user, then go to administration, then cluster setting, then configurations, and search for OAuth. Select OAuth, then select add and select OpenID Connect. Here you have to give the name of identity provider which we have given in the Okta app. We can check it. Our identity provider name is Okta. We will give same name here. Then for client ID, go to your Okta app, then copy client ID and paste it here. Then do same for client secret. And paste it in client secret option. Then you have to give the issuer URL, which is your Okta app URL. Copy it and paste it here. Then add. As you can see, new identity provider added. We can verify it using our command line console. We have to go in project OpenShift authentication by using OC project OpenShift authentication. Then we can check it by using command OC get pod. As you can see, our pod is running. The age of our pod is 10 minutes. This pod has to be restarted after doing all the configurations. And we can also do it by reloading our YAML. We can recheck it by using OC get pod. As you can see, our pod is in terminating state and our new pod is in pending state. We will wait until the status of the pod becomes in running. As our pod is in running state, all the configurations for Okta has been done. Now we will verify it by login using Okta credentials. Now open web browser. I am trying it with another browser so that it doesn't auto sign in. As you can see, we have two options, login with developer and login with Okta. We will choose login with Okta. As our Okta sign in page is open, we have to put here our user credentials. And that's it. You have successfully configured Okta OAuth with OpenShift in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you want a video on Keycloaks, GitHub, or Google login next. Thanks for watching.